Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to connect your N78 Pro Max smartwatch to your smartphone. Let's go! Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and yes guys, I will be showing you a quick tutorial on how to connect your N78 Pro Max smartwatch to your smartphone. Alright guys, so in this case, I actually tried to scan the QR code in here. Just going to the settings and tap on Connect Mobile, as you can see there. Okay, but sad to say, my phone cannot really scan the QR code, so all we have to do is we're going to go to Play Store and type Wear Fit Pro. Wear Fit Pro. Okay, the Wear Fit Pro will look like this, guys. So tap on install. Okay, so from there you tap open. Okay, and tap on agree. Okay, and there's an advertisement here, so just tap on continue to the app. Confirm while using the app. Okay, you can log in guys using your Google. So I will just be logging in my account. Then watch equipment. Okay, enable push permission, so tap on allow. Okay, and here it is guys, our the home screen of our Wear Fit Pro. So next guys, all we have to do is we are going to tap on device here, and okay, as you can see, it detected our N78 Pro Max, so we can just tap on reconnect. But if you have not connected this before, then you will have to connect it for the first time. So let's tap on reconnect. Application wants to turn on Bluetooth, allow. So okay, it is now connecting to the device. Okay, so our N78 Pro Max, it's already connected. And also guys, once our watch is connected to our N78 Pro Max, then the time is also set. Okay, let's check. Okay, here our time, it's 21:05, and here is the home screen guys. So this is also how to set the time. Just connect the watch to your Wear Fit Pro. Okay, and as you can see, we have here dial. So if you want to change the watch face, so you can tap on more, and voila guys, you can see many watch faces here. Alright, and then there's also application market. So we have here blood glucose reference trend, respiratory rate, short video controller, meteorological for like that's for the UV light, and we also have here wallet. So you can connect this one guys to WeChat, Alipay, and PayPal. So when you bind this one, then you can just scan it. We also have here business card for WeChat, QQ, WhatsApp, Twitter. Then health reminder. So for example, if you want to be reminded for drinking water, sedentary reminder, exercise, take medicine reminder, reading reminder, and travel reminder. Okay, we also have here notifications. So you can enable the notifications guys to whatever you want. Okay, so you can be notified for if someone is calling, uh, someone sent you an SMS, and for WhatsApp, WeChat, Facebook, and so on and so forth. So you can have it enabled here, guys. And then we also have here find device and other settings for if you want to 12-hour clock. So for 12-hour clock, because I like the 12-hour one, so you can check this one. Tap 12-hour clock. So as you can see, it's 9:08 p.m. Okay. And then we also have here favorite contacts. You can add card back. I haven't used this one, but you can experiment. Then we also have here firmware upgrade. Yes, so it says here are currently using the latest version. And restore factory settings, delete current device, and then we have here me. We have here your data, your report, yes, your weight, and so on and so forth. For exercise, you have your run, walk. So let's say go. Need to turn on our location. So it will show like this one, guys. Okay, walk. Okay, cycle, climbing. And for the home, you have here the steps, blood pressure, your SpO2, heart rate, sleep, body temperature, weight, fatigue, respiratory rate, and then we also have here blood glucose reference value. So that's 6.4. Okay, so let's try to change the watch face, guys. So let's tap on more, and as you can see, some of the watch faces are not free, so we need to pay, guys. Yes. Okay, let's check this one. It's free. If it says just installation, it means we can just download it for free. So let's have here installation, tap on download. Okay, okay, it may take some time. Then boom, our watch face on our N78 Pro Max, it's already changed. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. The setup on how to connect, and also how to set the time and set the watch face of your N78 Pro Max. So guys, if you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel for more affordable smartwatches and tutorials. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.